Here's how you can add more character slots in the Status app. So first thing you need to focus on is leveling up your account. You can gain progress by creating posts, replying to other users, participating in the events, and completing different activities inside the application. As your level increases, you will gradually unlock additional character slots. There is another way to get extra slots as well. If you're playing through single player, you can earn new character slots by completing milestones. Every time you reach 5 milestones, you will automatically receive another slot. To check your progress, make sure single player is selected at the top of the screen. From there, continue completing milestones, and once you hit each set of 5, another character slot will be added to your account. Once you have an available slot, tap Create My Own at the bottom right corner. You can then choose the fandom or category you want to use and pick the character that you'd like to add. Then you gotta select your character's follower and click on Continue with it. And you gotta write a bio. And that's all there is to it. Keep leveling up and completing milestones to unlock even more character slots. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.